These news channels are all teaming up to mislead us. Papa, why are you turning off the TV? I made this entire video using just 2 free AI tools. Now you must be wondering, how are the characters in the video appearing exactly the same in every scene? And how is their voice matching perfectly with lip sync? So in this video, I'm going to teach you that secret trick. But before that, we need a funny topic. For that, I used a prompt, which you'll find in the description on my WhatsApp channel. You just have to copy that prompt. Then I open ChatGPT, paste the same prompt, and press enter. After a few seconds, it gives me many topic ideas. Like here, it generated 10 different topics, and at the end it also asks, which topic number do you want to select? So, whatever topic you like, just type that number. For example, I typed number 1 and pressed enter. After a short loading, ChatGPT asks, how long do you want the script? 60 seconds, 120 seconds, 5 minutes. So I type 60 seconds and press enter. Then it immediately starts generating a complete 60-second script. Now comes the image prompt. If you want the character to stay the same in every scene, then first create images and then convert those images into video. If you make a video directly from a text prompt, the characters will change every time. That's why I'll give you an image prompt. Copy it, go back to ChatGPT, paste it, and hit enter. After loading, ChatGPT will ask for your script. So copy the script you generated earlier and paste it here again. Now it will create both image prompts and video prompts, and it will also write dialogue separately. So now we have 3 prompts and the video prompts as well. Creating the images. First, copy the image prompt only. Then search on Google. Google AI Studio. Click the first website, tap Sign In, and sign in with your Gmail. After that, click Google AI Studio. The website will open. Go to Create an Image. Before creating your image, change one setting. On the side, open Auto Settings and select 16:9 frame. Now, paste your first image prompt in the text box and click Run. Within seconds, your image will be ready. Open it and download it. Make images for each scene of your script the same way. When all 3 prompts images are ready, move to video creation. Converting images into videos with voice. Search on Google, Flow AI. Open Flow AI, click New, create Flow AI. A new page will open. Sign in with Gmail. After login, you'll see you get 100 free credits, which is enough for around 5 videos. Now click New Project. Before anything, adjust the settings. Select 16:9 and set output to 1:1 so fewer credits are used. Go back and select Text to Frame. Change it to Frame to Video. Tap the plus button, upload your first character image, select the frame, and then crop and save. Now the image will appear below. Go to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt under your image prompt, and paste it here in Flow AI. Then tap Generate. Within moments, your video will be ready. And the best part? It automatically includes dialogues with perfect voice. You don't need to record anything. Download the video. Repeat the same process for the second and third prompts. Download all the videos. Final editing, CapCut Pro. Now we will join and edit the videos in CapCut Pro. Open New Project. Your phone gallery will open. Select the video clips you made in Flow AI. Tap HD, then Add. All clips will be added to the CapCut timeline. Go to the end of the timeline. There you'll see the CapCut watermark. Delete it. Go back to the beginning. Each clip has a small Flow AI watermark. Use 2 fingers to zoom slightly and hide the watermark. Do this for all clips. Now, play your video from the start. Wherever you feel a funny meme sound should be added, go to audio. Sound effects, search memes, tap the sound you like, preview it, and press plus to add it. Do this wherever needed. If you want to add your own watermark or channel name, you can add that too. When everything is done, tap export, save your video, and upload it on social media. You can go viral and earn good money. That's it for today's video.